Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Welcome to all aspirant for Odisha Public Service Commissioner OPSC. A vast topic of OPSC Panchayat Raj. Question practice. Source of Hindu News Analysis. Panchayat Raj institution as a grassroots institution have a implement role to play during the crisis situations. Let's start. Question practice for the examinations, both prelim and main as well as interview. Some question during the interview: what is the meaning of Panchayat Raj institutions, and uh, ask the 5 implementation scheme for Panchayat Raj institutions. Let's start in this questions practice. First, discuss foreground. Panchayat. Panchayat means a small or group of people to create a government for regulating and controlling panchayat level or some villages. Panchayat council of elders representing a village. So let's second point, panchayat is also known as local government system of India. The government system of India is divided three types such as central government, then state government in various state, and third is root level system of governance is known as Panchayat Raj system of India. So Panchayat Raj system of India, let's start Panchayat Raj. Point number 1, form of government at village level. Point number 2, each village is responsible for its own activities. Each village under this panchayat, such as example of Mausudha Panchayat is example of Chandbali block. Mausudha Panchayat is responsible the various villages such as my village and my other nearing village. So under this panchayat, each village of responsible for the own activities. Clear? Evaluation of PRI. PRI is full form of Panchayat Raj institution. Ancient India. Similar form of local government. Similar form of local government. It is a local government organization or institution system, etc. Institutionalizations, it is called a best backbone of the grassroots government system. This is called Magna Carta of the local government. So local democracy or local democracy, Magna Carta of local government or local democracy system. Rifon River Rifon resolutions of 1882. Rifon resolution system of 1882 represent a new idea of local rural bronze system. So it is a very effective level of a local government system. Rifon resolution is most important for the examination perspectives. Rifon resolution of 1882, it is introduced rural local boards. Montagu Chelmsford's reform 1919 is the most important for examination perspective. Local government, local self-government under the response scheme of diarchy, a transfer subject. It is a transfer subject of the under the diarchy system to introduce Montagu Transfer Reform 1919. The Constitution's amendment of 73rd Amendment of 1992 introduced the system of Panchayat Raj. Let's start the question based on Panchayat role during the pandemic situation. Please note down very important topic and notes. If you interested gain PDF, please comment me in comment sections and message a personal number or email. Swift response helped people recover quickly and minimize health. And during the COVID-19 situations, Panchayat Raj system plays very essential role for the all people for the migrate all states. Please note down in this point. To recover the quickly health situation as well as minimize health. Point number 2 discussion. Provide essential leadership at the local level and they perform both regulatory and welfare functions. Some NGO, non-governmental bodies, NGO by organizations performs best activities during the COVID-19 situations, providing free water bottle for migrating peoples and as well as food, and to provide as well as masks and sanitize in stoppage wise stoppage. So provide essential leadership at the local level and they perform both regulating and welfare functions in the government to enhancement the power of the sarpanch as a collector power. So performing and best regulating system in during COVID-19 situations. Third point discussion, perform effective implementation of welfare schemes to provide masks, sanitize as well as 5 rupees for the maintaining quarantine system in each peoples to best and inform the government the scheme or quarantine system to provide 5 rupees for each quarantine people. Perform effective implementation of welfare scheme. Example, so recovery the economy, quicken the pace of the recovery of economy. Economy means to provide essential work for the village as well as quarantine center to producing food as well as to provide local work for the development of a village and panchayat raj. This is called recovery of economy. Self sufficient, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Example, MG NREGA scheme as well as National Rural Livelihood Missions at Panchayat level scheme. It is a most important for examination perspective. MG Narga and the National Rural Livelihood Mission at Panchayat level schemes. Basic unity of Gram Sabha acted as idea chambers. So a conference or meeting to controlling the COVID-19 situation and transferring people to village to maintenance as quarantine system and as well as distance to frequently sanitize in your hands as well as maintenance of mask in your face. Panchayat Raj institutions as a global level perspective. In this class, to introduce firstly what is the meaning of Panchayat Raj system. It is a local government. What is the constitutional refers to which article 73 and so meeting conference to discussion, then discussion global level perspective or importance of the Panchayat Raj institution. Yokohama strategy, disaster prevention. So controlling the world level disaster management system to strategy is Yokohama strategy. It is a first world strategy for the natural disaster management. Point number 2, make disaster planning and spending part of a Panchayat Raj development plan. make disaster planning. Make disaster planning. What is the controlling the disaster and spending part of Panchayat Raj development plans. Panchayat Raj development plans. Example of Odisha's coastal line Panchayat Raj system to focus the management of a disaster as well as flood, cyclone, etc. As well as Andhra Pradesh is a coastal line, Kerala not affected cyclone, as well as Gujarat coastal line, as well as Goa. But eastern coastal line is not basically not affected the cyclone as well as flood, but eastern coastal line is basically affected the cyclone, floods as well as a disaster, natural disaster system. Conducting regular location specific training program for the community through PRI. PRI full form is already discussed on Panchayat Raj institutions. So example of ODRAF team of Odisha, it is conducting regular location specific training of ODRAF program for the regulating and management system or controlling the disaster management and transferring the people for safe housing, the government scheme, so that's called disaster housing management. Organizing platform for the sharing best practice. Organizing platform for the sharing best practice. So example of ODRAF team, it is the organization platform for sharing best practice for the disaster management and during the cyclone as well as flood situations of coastal line states. Community-based disaster management plan can be laid down the with the PRI help. Panchayat Raj institution is be held help to the people for the management and controlling the disaster. Natural disaster. So question practice for the both preliminary examinations. Consider the following statement is correct about the Panchayat Raj system of India. First statement is it is a village level governance system. Second statement is this system is known as the Magna Carta of the local democracy. And question number 3, this system is presents by 4th constitutional amendment. Option number A 1 and 2 correct. Option number B 1 and 3 correct. Option number C 2 and 3 correct. Question number 2 practice. Who is of the following strategy for disaster management system of global level of PRI Panchayat Raj institution? Option number A Safe Panchayat strategy. Option number B Kohama strategy. Kohama strategy. Option number C Mission Panchayat strategy. Please comment section the correct answer. Again once again for the my mother India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you for watching completely in this video.